story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Guys, I don't know a long time in a do a regular live or a story time. But today, I feel like listen, I forgive people my story time because it's been so long since I go on a story time, right? So anyway guys, it have this time when I was in 4th grade. Yeah, what? Before I go another video, I want to subscribe. I want to share the video. I want to tell somebody for come over to Life with Corey Goodas. So yes, undo all of that. Alright, let's go into it. So yes guys, this time I was in grade 4. I was going to primary school. Primary school was Barks Road Primary in Montego Bay. So anyway guys, this day was sports day, you know, and where the sports day keep, it was close to where I live because it was walking distance from where I was living to school, and then we have to walk to where the sports was keeping, and the sports was keeping at this place called Barnet Oval. It's like a big field, and you could keep event there, and people, like if you live in the community, like in the evening time, you could go there to play football and stuff like that. So anyway people, when we did it, we walk. I noticed that everybody walk from school, you know. All I host them, like, you know, a carnival setup. So if you're in a greenhouse, whichever house, everybody bungle up together, no matter which class you're in or which grade. When a greenhouse, I be a greenhouse. So when a yellow house, red house, whatever. Everybody. So we have to walk from school, but it's a little distance. You have to walk from school to Barnet Oval. We have to walk from school to Barnet Oval. Anyway, when we reach a Barnet Oval, I say me did it, you know, I say my belly a cut me, you know, my belly a cut me, my belly a cut me. I say, Lord Jesus, what is for me? Why my belly a cut me so? Meaning my belly is hurting. My belly start to pain me, and it start to pain me. I said, Jesus Christ, why my belly a at me so? You know? Somebody that me I said, no man, everything's so alright. Maybe I fright me get come I go run on them something there. So anyway people, me didn't know, and them say when I squeeze by a big toe, so me now me start squeeze the big toe, I squeeze the big toe, come I say when I squeeze the big toe, you never feel like say more I use the bathroom. Guys, I squeeze toe. It come like the more me squeeze the toe, the more my belly hurt me. So guys, me did it one time I stand off from everybody, you know. Because guess what? I start put down the place. Guys, me start poop. So look at poop. And when me tell us that the poop stink. The poop stink. It stink. And me say me just a fart go. And me just a fart. I just a fart go and me just a fart. The whole thing. Because I know how we did it. Nobody can know who a fart. And guess what now? No? And me first start, well me know. I was smells though. And me first start, well my nose, you know. And while I me no know where one, you know. Then me a fart down in place, you know. And me a hold my nose, you know. And me a fart, I'm a fart, go, I'm a fart. I'm a fart, go, I'm a fart. So anyway guys, the last fart, I said no man, I feel like something in my panty. I feel like something in my panty. So it have this girl will live which part I come from. I now call her name. She was there too. So I say, I go use the bathroom and come back. Guys, by the time me reach another bathroom there, a feces they all over in my shorts, and it's a jean shorts me do wear, you know. Guys, all them fart they want me the fart. Feces are come. Poop. Kind of American poop coming. Guys, me not tell it I'm in the bathroom. I'm just say I hold it for bathroom, you know. I'm in there, you know, I'm in the bathroom. I'm tell us the toilet it think it. I don't know if my body did a rat in the time then.
Oh my God!
It stink. Guys, and everybody outside now. At that time, shame me up. Me nah come out. As long as the day is, me nah come out of the toilet. Me in the toilet and me in there. And they must say, Lord, what? You pick them, you know them pick this day. No man, I was smell so in the bathroom and stinks at the time. Them no know say me in the toilet lock up. Them things at the toilet with me in a lock it lock. You know, cause you know they may have some place where them lock some of the bathroom. And when me tell us say in the stench, is stench, is stench, is stench. Me tell us say on my feces and me did a stifle from it. But me couldn't come out and make them the pitney they see me. I stay in the bathroom till me say, me nah hear nobody and me a listen, and me a listen, and me a listen. Cause that tell a girl well do up herself, you know. Well do up herself. So now the girl know where from which part me live now. Like she realize say, oh what's past and she not see me. So she come over the bathroom now and she call out to me. And I go say to her say, you know say my belly there hurt me and me ease my body and do it myself. Anyway, she helped me, you know, and hide me for come out and me take my time and hurry go away because she stay back at the sports. Jesus Christ. But I think the girl like hold her mouth. She hold her mouth at school, you know. Remember we come from the same place, you know. Yeah, but I think she hold her mouth. But reach home, everything. Everybody asks, woman can leave sports so early. I said, no, I'm tired. I'm going to tell nobody, you know. Nobody don't know what happened. Nobody, my mother, nobody don't know what's the girl well do up herself. And so big grade 4 pick, you know, do up herself. I don't know what happened, but I did go off on myself. And me tell us, you know, a little bit of go off is a big do up self. So anyway, guys, me dey home, I'm here. Youth them, that little boy them from the community. That's why even after sports that I don't answer. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up, Paka! Come in, Paka. Shut up, Paka. How they know so me do that myself? Shut up! Shut up, bed! Shut up this! Shut up! Listen to me name, but them not call me name, not reach us though. You know, so the girl come home and she can't tell them don't. Remember, we are looking for it still, you know. Because we are grade 4 and she are grade 5. And when me tell her, say, them trouble me go, them trouble me come, then me I did the laughing stock. With the shit up. Because remember, you know, when I live in a ghetto, you know, and them people, they know one something about here, you know. They might use it as trouble, you know. Them trouble you go, them trouble you come. All when them gonna laugh and talk up with you, they might the moment them get fit trouble you, they might trouble you. So, just when me think of peace and safety, everybody around the shop me then. I did shame. But you know what cause it? Guys, when me did day over the field, and I feel my belly cut me, the first thing I should have do, I should have go a toilet. But you see, we know, we not like people know so we want to do one them something there. And we not like people know so we in a toilet and stay long. So when belly a cut girl a go and like say nothing happen and girl no want use bathroom. She sit down on that. Till she end up do up herself. That's why you see me nowadays up till today. It no matter who you be. If me want use the toilet, me not afraid for someone use the toilet. Because it is more embarrassing to go off on yourself rather than tell somebody say, hey, I'm gonna use your toilet. You understand? Me not shy with no man when me there with. If me want to use the toilet, me want to use it. I'm not shy. I'm going to use it. Yes. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corey Goodas. Bye guys. I am out. Thank you guys for your continual support. I really do love my Corey gang. Mwah!